Ever been stuck with a dead car battery in the middle of nowhere? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best car jump starter power banks. Compact, powerful, and always ready when you need them most. Let's get started. Item number 5. Introducing the YESPER car jump starter, built for power and reliability. With a massive 6,000 peak current, it can jumpstart 12-volt vehicles, including 12-point diesel engines. Equipped with a 20,000 to 30,000 mAh battery, dual USB-A fast charging, PD 45-watt USB-C, and a 150-watt DC port, it's your ultimate power bank. Enjoy a bright 600-lumen flashlight with SOS and strobe features, a 3.3-inch LED screen, and multiple safety certifications including UL, FCC, and Roadside. Item number 4. The GOOLOO GT3000 is a powerful, rugged jump starter with over 1,200 amp peak current, built to handle tough conditions. It jumpstarts vehicles in just 5 minutes and features 100 watts fast charging, recharging fully in under 1.2 hours. With a 16,000 mAh battery, it doubles as a power bank with USB-A and USB-C ports. Certified by CE, FCC, and Roadside, and IP65 rated for water and dust resistance, it's perfect for emergencies and everyday use. Ready whenever you are. Item number 3. The YESPER 4000A car jump starter is a powerful and reliable emergency tool. With over 1,200 amp peak current and a 24,000 mAh battery, it jumpstarts most 12-volt vehicles with ease. It supports PD 100 watt two-way fast charging and functions as a high-capacity power bank. Equipped with USB ports, lighting, SOS, warning lights, and a cigarette lighter starter, it's ready for any situation. Weighing 1.72 kilograms and certified by CE, FCC, and YESPER delivers both safety and performance. Item number 2. Introducing the YESPER 4120A car jump starter, a compact yet powerful solution for roadside emergencies. With over 1,200 amp peak current and a massive 26,800 mAh battery, it jumpstarts most 12-volt vehicles quickly and reliably. It also works as a two-way fast-charging power bank with USB ports and a cigarette lighter starter. Built-in lighting, warning lights, and SOS mode provide added safety. Weighing just 775 grams, it's lightweight, efficient, and ready when you need it most. Item number 1. The YESPER car jump starter is a powerful all-in-one emergency tool. With up to 6,008 to 7,008 peak current and a 12-volt output, it jumpstarts most vehicles with ease. It features a 150 psi air compressor, perfect for inflating tires on the go. The 26,800 mAh power bank supports emergency charging, SOS lighting, and warning lights. Compact and multifunctional, it's ideal for any roadside situation. Certified for safety and performance, the YESPER jump starter is your ultimate backup on the road. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.